Unleash your inner athlete with this quick, nutrient-packed smoothie. This power-packed concoction is specifically devised for the health-conscious. It's not just a blend, it's a nutritional powerhouse of spinach, bananas, and almond milk. Spinach, a leafy green powerhouse, is loaded with iron, calcium, and vital vitamins. It's a nutritional superhero, boosting your immunity and keeping you strong. Bananas, nature's energy bar, lend instant energy and aid muscle recovery. They're fortified with fiber, potassium, and vitamins, making them ideal for intense workouts. Lastly, a splash of almond milk. Lower in calories, it's a brilliant source of vitamin E, giving the smoothie a creamy texture and enhancing its taste. This smoothie isn't just about fueling your body. It's about nourishing your spirit and your fitness journey. It's about knowing each sip brings energy and a taste of freshness. So fuel your body, nourish your spirit.